Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram notifications on settings. We'll click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We'll click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app. We'll just go down here to find Telegram app here and this is window and we will click here on Telegram, then we will go to next window here like you say. We'll click here on force stop and we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage, and it's going to you're going to turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.